In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a discount code in welcome emails with Klaviyo. If you're just getting started with email marketing, or if you're looking to make your welcome emails more enticing, including a discount code is a great way to engage new subscribers and encourage purchases. Adding a discount code is simple, and I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you succeed without any hitches. First, you'll want to navigate to Klaviyo's main dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand panel where you'll see the content section listed. Click on it. This section is your gateway to accessing all your email content needs. You'll notice a variety of options here, but what we're focusing on today is templates. So go ahead and select templates. This is where all your creative email designs live, and it's also where we can modify our welcome email. Now, find your welcome email template from the list and click to open it in edit mode. Think of this template as a blueprint for one of the first impressions your new subscribers will have of your brand. It's worth taking the time to make it memorable. Here, in the design interface, you can start to personalize your email. This is also where you'll be adding that enticing discount code. To add your discount code, you'll need to insert a text block or, if you're feeling more visually inclined, an image block could work just as well. Both options can be found within your editing panel. If you choose a text block, simply drag and position it where you desire within your template. Once it's in place, click to modify the text. Type out your discount code clearly, perhaps with a brief explanation of what it's for and any relevant terms, like expiration dates or specific product exclusions. If you'd rather go the visual route, using an image block can really make your discount code pop. You can upload an image that includes the discount code or create a graphic to draw focus to this special offer. Remember, visuals can significantly enhance the appeal of your email, so make sure it aligns with your brand's identity and catches the eye. Once you've added your discount code, take a moment to preview your email. This little step helps ensure everything looks just the way you want, without any formatting issues. Make sure everything reads well and looks cohesive. When you're satisfied, save your changes, and your welcome email with the discount code is now ready to go. And that's all it takes. Hopefully, instead of merely welcoming new subscribers, you've now empowered your welcome sequence with a strong, actionable incentive. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing with Klaviyo.